Hello guys, welcome again. Today I just want to show you my final update of hand-wheeled lathe. This is the most recent update. So basically I just made this main frame welded on square tubing and made this little hand crank so we can operate this. I made this from metric 8 threaded rod. This is an excess part, so I use as a hand crank. Tighten this two nuts to hold this hand crank. It is connected into a 50 centimeter of threaded rod. Here welded nut here to prevent to take out this nut is holding the threaded nut on place, so that's why I welded. Yeah, this is basically look like lathe right now, so I'm very happy with this my creation. So looking pretty good. Went to find some metal pieces here for the stand of my lathe. 4 legs need to weld it into the main frame so it can stand its own. Yeah, I can't weld this place so well because the square tubing is so thin. This is being a bad weld because of me. I can't make a good welding. As you can see the thickness of the square tubing, and this is so thin. It's less than 1 millimeter. But I'm happy with the results. So I just want to show you one more thing too. I want to show how to operate this thing. Let's demonstrate the working. As you can see, it's moving from here to here. It's so well. Now I just want to show you the other ways and finish the video.